We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. Here we have the antenna. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.